Happy Road Safety Day to all. This day is celebrated from 11 January to 17 January. Road traffic safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road user from being killed or seriously injured. Typical road users include pedestrians, cyclists, motorists, vehicle passengers, horse riders, and passengers on road, public transport, mainly buses and trams.
The stop sign indicates that the driver must stop there in their places. The giveaway sign indicates to give a direction to the traffic to give way to the right side drivers. The no entry sign indicates shows that there is a restrict area ahead, so the driver should not go and reroute. The one-way sign refers to the traffic is allowed to move in a single direction. Vehicles prohibited in both directions represents the area ahead is blocked from both the sides, other traffic could not move from either side. The right turn prohibited directs the driver to evade right turn.
Left turn prohibited sign directs the driver to evade left turn. U-turn prohibited is the sign that directs the driver to evade right turn. Overtaking prohibited indicates sometimes at highways or where roads are narrow, at bridges, provokes to be extremely dangerous signs are put over these kind of ensure safety.
Horn prohibited when there is no requirement of honking. When this sign is put so that the driver should respect the silence and do not use horn. No parking is the prohibits parking of a vehicle in designated area. Speed limit. Whatever number the sign carries, the driver should limit his speed accordingly. School ahead. This sign indicates about a school ahead. Men at work. This shows some kind of labor, work or repair is going on ahead the road. Pedestrian crossing. The pedestrians are the ones to be served first than the rest of the traffic. When this is erected, that means the driver should either reduce the speed or stop the vehicle and let the pedestrian cross the road first.
Crossroad sign it tells the crossing of two roads ahead. Gap in median. This sign suggests a provision of U-turn is there ahead. Side road right. This sign indicates of a right side turn along with the straight way ahead. Major road ahead. This sign is placed where there is going to be a major crossover road ahead. Roundabout. This sign can be used as a substitute of a road crossing. Dangerous dip. It shows there is a dip ahead on the road.
Hump or rough road. A hump on the road is created so that the driver should slow down the speed. The sign indicates the underground level crossing. The sign indicates that there is a railway crossing ahead. This type underground depicts that the driver should cross the road on his own risk when there is no train coming. Guardian level crossing. This sign indicates that the railway crossing ahead guards by a person.
Compulsory sound horn. This sign indicates that must blow the horn. Normally the sign will be seen at the highways where you do not have any idea about the outcoming traffic. Compulsory turn left. Due to diversion, this sign is placed. One has to turn left after watching it. Compulsory right turn. There is a particular reason for why this sign is installed so that the driver should obey and move in right direction for a safety perspective.
Thank you.